The peacock is a big and proud bird that has a very long tail. It can open its tail like a fan and show off its amazing colors and patterns. The tail has many eyes that sparkle and shine. The boy peacock has a bigger and prettier tail than the girl peacock, because he wants to win her heart. The peacock comes from India, but you can find it in many other places too. It makes loud noises to talk to other peacocks or to scare away enemies. The peacock is a very impressive bird that means beauty and grace in many cultures. You can see how magnificent it is here.